trail with floppy ears and a joyful bark. Dogs bring light to the darkest park. Silly puppies chasing their tails, running in circles, leaving trails. With a leap and a bound they play all day, making every moment a holiday. Spotted dogs with patches bright, run and jump with all their might, chasing balls and frisbees too, always finding something new. Big dogs with hearts so wide, walking with you by your side, guarding the house with a mighty stance, then rolling over for a belly dance. Tiny dogs with yips and yaps, snuggled up in cozy laps, in a handbag, oh what fun, peeking out to see the sun. Dogs love to dig and dogs love to chew, finding sticks and old shoes too. With a bone to bury, a hole to dig, dogs make every day so big. When the moon shines high at night, dogs dream dreams of pure delight, chasing rabbits in their sleep, with tiny woofs and paws that leap. D is for